Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today will be very quick. I'll be explaining to you guys. I know in the past we did a low series on how to grow Monte Carlos. I was growing Monte Carlos in a bin. I actually sold all of it last week. That batch didn't do as good as I would have liked, and it's crazy because I was growing the Monte Carlos for about 2-3 months. And it was browning. I think what happened was lack of nutrients, and I think I was putting the light on a little bit too long throughout the day. So I'm going to be updating you guys with what we have over here, what are the plants, and we have a new plant that we are growing in the black tray on the right. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you guys look at on the right here, this is what you call water sprite. So we've been growing water sprites. I think it's a great plant to grow. It's a great, it's a cool looking plant in the tank actually. So what you guys can see here, it is browning, and that's because when a plant goes from submersed to immersed, it has to readjust. Also, the guy that sold us the water sprite, I already knew it was not in good condition. A lot of plant store owners, that's what they do. They sell you, you know, the quality of the plants are not always the best, because at the end of the day, they're taking care of the fish more than the plants. Let's be honest. But I'm reviving the plant. What I did is I just added a mesh tray, which again, you guys can find that mesh tray in our Amazon storefront. And then I added a little bit of water, and it's very easy to grow. You just need to fill the water till it touches the mesh tray, and then you add fertilizer in the bottom. I would say spray every 2-3 days, just to get a little bit more humidity in the humidity dome. There is a humidity dome that goes on top of it, and again, it's a very easy to grow. You guys can see the new green leaves growing, and if I really wanted to, you know, speed up the growth, I could go buy more, but I think we'll start with this and see how it goes. On the very left side over here, so this is the Monte Carlos, the new batch I've been growing. So as you guys can see, this is beautiful Monte Carlos. The Monte Carlos is doing very good here, as you guys can see. And what I was trying to explain to you guys about how the leaves are a lot bigger, you can tell like it's thriving. It's very green. What I do is I do spray phosphorus and a little bit of all-in-one fertilizer in this one. And again, spray every couple of days, and once you see an excess of water, just kind of dump it out. Monte Carlos doesn't like too much water, especially when you are growing this submersed. Oh wait, summers? No, sorry, summers? No, immersed, I should say. Sorry, immersed, not submersed, immersed. So that means outside of the water. So yeah, so this is the plan right now. I have a lot more people wanting Monte Carlos, but it does take a longer time to grow. Hopefully this batch does pretty well. Again, we're just using basic biostratum from Fluval. Again, if you want to buy anything that we have, it's in our Amazon storefront, and that is in our description in the description on this video. And again, if you guys could leave a like, a comment, if you guys have any questions, it does help grow our channel, and make sure to subscribe. So there's gonna be more videos in the future. Once this bin grows fairly nice, we will just, you know, make a bunch of cuttings and then probably grow it in a bunch of other mini bins like this. I found that if you grow it in bins, like smaller bins, it does a bit better, and again, the roots intertwine all together and it makes a nice carpet. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.